Hey guys, this is Tyler Britt, your Instructional Technology Coordinator with another edition of Snack Pack, Rapid Fire PD. Today I'm going to talk to you really quickly about how you can easily embed links into a Google spreadsheet. Lots of reasons why you might use Google spreadsheets beyond just numbers and graphs and data. You might use them in this instance as a quick way to push out one document that contains a lot of different links that you want kids to use for their research. So I'm just going to give you a quick for instance. Let's say that my students are doing research on the Civil War and I want to give them a jump start on finding some credible sites. So what I might do is come over to Google and do a little bit of pre-searching for them. So you'll notice that I've entered Civil War in the search term. I've also used cite.gov, the :.gov, the search operator, so that I know that all of my results are going to come back from .gov websites. And I've also gone ahead and used the search tools to click reading level, and I'm choosing the intermediate reading level, which you can see virtually all of my results are. So this might be a middle school or high school. Really easy for me to go through and grab some of these links that might be good. For instance, the National Park Service is one of the first ones that comes up. And I may say, you know what, this looks like a great resource. I want to add it to my list. I'm going to right click and copy that link very quickly. Then I'm going to come back over here and I can right click, insert link, paste the URL, and here I can give it a little text. So I might go ahead and tell my kids, this is from the National Park Service, and hit enter or apply. Very quickly now my kids can click on that link when I share this sheet with them, and it will open in a new tab and they'll have that website I want them to have. Let's go ahead and find another one. Right here, the LOC, I know that's the Library of Congress, so I can click and open that. Here's where we've got some Civil War glass negatives and related prints, so they might be able to find some nice images here. Same thing, right click and copy. I'm going to highlight my cell, and this time I'm going to use the keyboard shortcut of Control K. Gives me the same menu. Then I'll paste that in. Library of Congress. And over here in the description, maybe I go ahead and tell them these are some glass negatives and prints. Okay. A third way that I can add a link, let's see, that's another Library of Congress. I'm going to come down here to archives.gov. We'll open that. Oh, this looks like a great one I want them to look around in. Copy that link, select my cell, and this time I'll use the link shortcut here on the toolbar. And I'll say this was the this was archives.gov. Okay. Then I can have students go in and explore these, and I can actually have kids, if I want to give them editing rights, populate the description over here, or I could go back and add some descriptions myself. So really quick feature, very easy to do links in the new Google Sheets. Before it converted and it was the old Google Spreadsheets, so it was a little bit more difficult. This is a great place to populate lists, share with your parents, share with your students. So I hope you found that to be helpful, and until next time, onward we go.